Unveiling Rlaarlo X12S, compact powerhouse with top-tier features and detailed packaging.
Hi guys, and welcome to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at this, the Rlaarlo X12S. This is a new release at the end of 2024, and it's the new 1/12th or 1/14th scale. It's actually smaller than a 1/12th classic Rlaarlo. Not quite getting the scales right here, but it's looking pretty awesome. Comes in this yellow and red color, and it also comes in a blue color. I think this is the blue one, if I remember correctly. All Rlaarlo products come really well packaged. As I've said in other videos, it really helps us as a seller sell stuff, get stuff out the door quickly and easy with best packaging. As with all Rlaarlo stuff, it comes with a goodie bag with spare parts. It's got a charger, it's got all the stickers you want, and it's going to come with a manual which has an exploded diagram of all the parts that you're going to need if you need to repair this. But that said, these are really tough. Radiocontrol.co.uk is Rlaarlo's official dealer in the UK. For warranty items from their direct sales they send back to us, we do stock all the parts and are able to repair any damages if you need it. So do bear that in mind when buying. The X12S comes fully loaded, so it's all ready to run. Everything you need to run it is in the box. It comes with a 3600 kilovolt brushless motor and a 45 amp ESC, just like the ROG1, and it comes with a 3S battery, so it packs a massive punch for something so small. It comes with fully loaded aluminium CNC machined oil filled shocks, so you're getting perfect suspension. You're getting everything directly out of the box, so you're not going to want to upgrade this necessarily, because it comes out of the box really with super powerful equipment, super powerful drivetrain, metal drivetrain, everything you need. The only thing I would say is, if you're going to buy this for a younger kid, then I would suggest that you use the remote control to turn the speed down, and there is a knob on the remote control that allows you to tone that speed down. So when comparing this to the ROG1, many of the parts are exactly the same, and that's how Rlaarlo are managing to bump out so many high quality products. A lot of the products are sharing parts, which is great for finding parts, because they'd always be manufactured in high quantity, because they'll fit lots of different cars. The only main difference is obviously the wheels are smaller and the wheelbase is longer, so it should handle higher speeds more effectively. If you want something that's a bit more off-road, then do look at the ROG1. I will be reviewing that in a separate video, or unboxing it in a separate video, so go check that out. I'll put the links in the description. As ever, please do like, follow and subscribe. It really does help us reduce our prices online, because it stops us relying on Google advertising.